What's going on YouTube? Noah back here. Today we had to drop off some stuff to one of my clients that I do a lot of work for, but I'm going to show you a couple things that I've done in the past that I probably made a video about this one, but probably been about a year since it's been done, so I'll give you a little review on it. Alright, so this is what we converted it from a PTO drive to running off a hydraulic motor. There's a plate with some chain drive and all that, which actually holding up pretty good. They don't have to tension it up once. Yeah, it's a normal 50 chain, so that worked out pretty good. This is what powers it, the power track. Let's see what else I've done. This, I don't know if I made a video about this, but this is a tree shear that I put new. We upgraded the ram itself, so we reinforced it. And don't know if he tried this out. I got to talk to him. I think he did, but we'll find out. And what else? I straightened that out, but that wasn't that big a deal. I made a 3-point mount. This is kind of just throw together. Used what I had. Just a 3-point mount for this. We cut this off of something else we weren't using, so that way I kind of hacked. But basically, just made it to where it goes on there like that with PC channel, then up and bolts onto that. Good to go. Welded that on. So this is a chipper, PTO driven originally, and then I converted it over to one off of a motor like that. Chain drive, then we can adjust the tension on it from up top there. Nothing too exciting. Just cut a hole in a plate, drill the holes, put some angle, flat stock, a whole bunch of stuff. This was this one? No, the other one was a metric shaft. It was hard to find, but we ended up finding it. But yeah, that works out pretty good. Pretty sure I use this. Put the hook on it so I can unload it. Pretty cool little thing. Trying to look around. Oh, I think I made a video on this. This is a tilt, skid tilt. So you go on the back of this taillight. Backhoe, working out pretty good. We probably this winter we're going to probably convert this from a 1-cylinder to a 2-cylinder, because that's the second ram you put on this thing. If the weight get on it is just right, it bends it, and it bent that. So we very well may have to end up putting 2 rams on it, but that'll be a job for whenever we get to it. And then y'all saw, if y'all been on my channel a while, you probably saw this. I welded this on here. This mount on there, maybe add a thumb to it. Trying to see what else. Trying to look around. I've done a lot of this stuff. I did put that mount, that plate on there. I had a different mount that made it able to slide, but I don't really think it was actually useful for him. So that put that mount on. Put that plate on, loaded that plate to that. Nothing too exciting on that, but just cut it out, modified it, made it work. What else have I modified here? Just got finished fixing this bucket on the bottom. What else? I put that on there. So yeah, I put this and I built the top compartment for it. So you put equipment on. This is a slide drill. Basically, so you can slide it out and access it. So it's normally come off of a truck. But yeah, I need to work on painting. That's one thing I always forget to do. But yeah, that's what we got. Just some of the many things I've done up here. I've modified a lot for this customer, and be plenty more to come. I'm sure of it. But anyway, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to y'all later.